Hello students. Today we are going to discuss the topic adverbs. Adverbs tell us more about the words, usually verbs, adjective or another adverb. Adverb is usually it's a word that is used to tell more about other words. The words that can be verbs, adjective or another adverb. For example, Sia was walking briskly in the park. Here walking, that is an action of a subject, that is walking, and how she is walking briskly, fastly. So this is an adverb that describes more about verb, that is an adverb. For example, I have told you already. Now it comes kinds. Kinds are it's an adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, interrogative adverbs. First is adverb of manner. What does adverb of manner tells us about? It tells us how the actions takes place, like politely, quickly, quietly, like this. Ria speaks politely. Speaks is the verb. And how does she speak? Politely. So it tells about the manner, that how does she speaks. In case of adverb of manner, adverbs, what is the position of the adverb in this? It is placed always after the main verb. So main verb is here speaks, so politely comes after the main verb. Then comes of the adverb of place. In adverb of place, it tells us where an action takes place, the place of an action, like about, behind, by, down, in, off. These are all the examples, and it is usually placed after the main verb or an objective. Main verb, again main action, and or an object, like I can't find the pen anywhere. I can't find the pen anywhere. Anywhere is the place that that I am not able to find out where my pen is. Next comes adverb of a time. It tells us when an action takes place and also for how long and how often. Adverb of time means that at what time does action takes place, and for how long it was, what was the duration, and how oftenly, how frequently it occurs. Like for example, today, all day, not long, now, last year, like this. I will eat later. So later here means I will eat it later. So in adverb of time, they're usually placed at the end of the sentence. So later is at the end of the sentence. Next comes adverb of frequency. It expresses the exact number of times an action happens and are usually placed at the end of a sentence. So this always expresses the exact number of the time, exact numbers, how many times it has occurred. Like I go to park twice a week. Twice a week means 2 times in a week. How many times do I go to park? Twice. So adverb of frequency it is. Next comes adverb of degree. It tells the extent and the intensity of an action, like almost, nearly, quite, too, enough, like this. How much is the intensity? How much is the degree of the adverb? This is just the dress I want, that यही मुझे चाहिए थी. So it is the intensity, that I just wanted this dress only, and it is usually placed before the adjective or the adverb to whom it modifies, like the water was extremely cold. So in this way, all right, it is always placed before the adjective or the adverbs they modify. Next is the interrogative adverbs. Interrogative, as it is clear from its name, that words that like who, what, when, why, these are the all interrogative verbs, like where is my book, what is your name, where are you going. These are all the interrogative adverbs. So next point is, these were all the types of the adverbs. And adjectives or adverbs, usually we confuse with it. All the words that end with ly are not the adverbs. Usually we take it like that all the words that are ending with the ly, they are the adverbs, but in true sense it is not. Like adjectives, adverbs also has the comparative of superlative degrees. In adjectives we always do the superlative and comparative degrees, that the degrees of comparisons. In the, adverbs also there are certain degrees, like soon, sooner, soonest, peacefully, more peacefully, and most peacefully. In this way adverbs also has a degrees. So adverb, basically in nutshell I am explaining it again, that adverbs are basically the words that describes the verbs more, describes the action more, like briskly, politely. These were all the examples. Please go through it and then we'll do the exercises.